Hello, here we've got a beautiful 2013 Toyota Estima. This one is an auction grade 4.5. That's as good as you can pretty much get out of Japan at this age, with just under 50,000 kilometres, 30,000 miles. Now this has got the, I believe it's a factory or dealer optional Modelista aero kit. You can see it really gives a nice touch to this car with the sportiness. We've got the nice alloy wheels which are free from scratches. And if we look down the side of the car, you'll see it's very free from dents or scratches anywhere. 2 sets of keys. I've got them in my hand. Unlock the door. I probably have to move away from the car to work. Oh, there you go. It unlocks. You can see we've got door controls. So with the 7-seaters on the Estimas and the Alphard, you can push these seats into the centre and you can move them all the way back, and you can get quite a nice lie down. If I showed you, I mean that's pretty comfy, and they can go back further. Now I could push the seat forward. It's a bit hard to do with one hand, and then slide the seat. So this one, slide it out like that. So you can see it's got parking sensors all around the car. Look how clean that is underneath. It's beautiful. No rust. It's got a reversing camera there. These seats, they fold down and they go into the lower section here at the back. Might show you that separately. All of the seats and the fabric in this is really in very, very good condition. You've got aircon up there all around. They've had this mat here to protect it. I'd say it's sort of I guess it does the job. You see along there, beautiful and free from scratches anywhere. A little bit of wear on this one, just around the edges here. Power seats. So 50,000 kilometres, that's what your foot brake pedal rubber should look like. Lots of chunkiness to it. So push button start. Go up here, 46,600 kilometres, that's just under 30,000 miles off the top of my head. Saying it's about 8.4 kilometres litre. It would get more on that on the freeway, depending on how you drive it. We've got reversing cameras, sensors there. Lots of storage space in the Estimas. This one we've got the owner's manuals down in there. You've also got more compartments up here. This is the Japanese toll card, or ETC, which obviously probably wouldn't be used overseas. Look at that, lots and lots of space to put things and fill it up. It's nice to see a no smoking sticker in the ashtray, well, if you're a non-smoker, I guess. More cup holders here. This whole centre console will slide back, or it can go forward depending on how you want to use it. You see, we've got plenty of tread there. You can tell that that car is it hasn't been used in any sort of snow area or anything like that, because it's very, very clean underneath. So there you have it. That's a beautiful Toyota Estima. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.